Cruising in your Volkswagen is great until you spot the EPC light on your dashboard. That EPC stands for electronic power control, and it means your car's detected a problem. Today, I'll break down the top 5 reasons your VW EPC light comes on, what it means, and what you should do next. Whether you drive a Golf, Jetta, or Touareg, I'll help you decode the EPC mystery and keep your VW running smoothly. Let's get started. The most common EPC culprit? Throttle body issues. If your throttle body gets dirty or fails, you'll notice weak acceleration, hesitation, or rough idling. Carbon buildup is typical, especially with city driving or high mileage. Sometimes the electronic actuator inside just wears out. Cleaning the throttle body can help. If not, replacement may be needed. Don't ignore sluggish acceleration or weird idle. Early action prevents bigger problems. After cleaning or replacing, the EPC light may reset itself, or need a diagnostic tool. Next, let's look at a surprisingly simple fix that can cause the same warning. A faulty brake light switch can trigger the EPC light in your VW. This small part tells your car's computer when you're braking. If it fails, your brake lights might stay on, or not work at all. The EPC system relies on this switch for power management, especially with stability control. Luckily, it's a cheap, easy fix, often just a screwdriver job. If cruise control or shifting is acting up, check this switch first. Replace it, and the EPC light often disappears right away. Now, let's move to another critical sensor that can cause EPC headaches. Modern VWs use an electronic accelerator pedal sensor instead of a cable. If this sensor fails, you'll get inconsistent acceleration, hesitation, or even limp mode. Sometimes the car surges or doesn't respond at all. A bad sensor can trigger both the EPC and check engine lights. Cleaning won't help. You'll need a replacement, but it's usually affordable. Once swapped, your VW should drive normally, and the EPC light should clear. Don't ignore throttle weirdness, it only gets worse. If your EPC light is on with throttle issues, this sensor is a likely culprit. But what if the problem is deeper in your VW's brain? Let's check the next cause. The ECU is your VW's brain, managing everything from fuel to ignition. Software glitches, outdated programs, or wiring faults can trigger the EPC light. Sometimes, a dealer software update fixes it, and may even improve performance. Damaged wiring can also cause intermittent or constant EPC warnings. Diagnosing ECU issues requires a proper scan and sometimes a skilled technician. If the scan points to the ECU, you might need a software update, repair, or replacement. Don't ignore ECU-related EPC lights. They can lead to bigger problems fast. The ECU controls it all. If it's unhappy, your VW won't run right. Now let's finish with the sensors that feed the ECU information. Your VW relies on many sensors. If one fails, the EPC light comes on. Common offenders: mass airflow sensor, ABS sensor, crankshaft, camshaft sensors, wheel speed sensors. Symptoms include rough running, poor acceleration, or multiple warning lights. Sensor failures can mimic other issues, so a diagnostic scan is crucial. OBD2 scanners pinpoint the exact sensor causing trouble. Most sensor replacements are straightforward with the right parts. Once replaced, the EPC light should reset. Sometimes automatically, sometimes with a scanner. Use quality sensors to avoid repeat problems. If you've checked everything else, don't overlook these vital sensors. Those are the top 5 reasons your VW's EPC light might be on. Don't ignore the warning. Catching issues early saves time and money. EPC doesn't always mean disaster, but it does mean something needs attention. Like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and keep your VW running strong. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.